We're waking up to quiet conditions for the most part, just a couple of pop-up showers, basically east of London, Kentucky, and pretty close here to the Lee County line. The rest of us just have partly to mostly cloudy skies, so it's going to be a hot and humid day. And eventually we'll be talking about a few scattered showers and storms popping up here in spots as we go through the evening. Southwest Virginia looking nice and quiet for the meantime. And there is a little bit of development here back towards Gatlinburg and the Sevier County down that direction. So my focal point that I'm really honing in on towards the later portion of the evening is going to be western North Carolina. So there's going to be a series of pop-up showers and storms developing here. And it looks like models are indicating a few outflow boundaries will be moving in late evening into the overnight, roughly around midnight. Some of those scattered showers and storms will be moving in. So some of us may wake up to some of that thunder with that during the later portion of the evening and overnight. Scattered showers and storms expected at times for your Saturday and around the times as well for Sunday. Any of these storms could have some downpours, excessive rainfall rates, because these are going to be real slow movers. There's just not much wind, atmospheric winds to really get them moving. So expect that for today. Any of these that develop are just going to be dumping that rain, lightning in spots, and then some strong winds in spots. We have a lot of humidity, and with that heat, it's going to feel kind of oppressive at times. Dew points are going to be in the upper 60s, low 70s, but with a temperature around 93, that heat index is going to soar to around 100 or pretty close to it, at least for today. Then we start to cool it off a little bit in the weekend. So if you were to drain all this rainfall out just in a particular location, like with one storm, we'd be looking at easily 2-inch rainfall rates with that, just if you were to take all that atmospheric moisture down. I'm expecting the better chance of showers and storms mainly in the later portion of the evening into the overnight, but a couple of pop-up showers and storms in spots through the day. Temperatures in the lower 90s, actual air temperatures, but feeling hotter than that, obviously. Overnight lows tonight around 70. Severe threat tracker stays medium because we're expecting some downpours in spots with some of those strong wind gusts with any of these thunderstorms. So if you were to just kind of broaden the perspective out, notice that we are in a level 1 out of 5 risk for a strong, possibly severe storm in spots. And again, for tomorrow, that continues into Sunday too. So timing things out. This is the latest IBM graph, one of our high resolution models along with the HRRR. I like to kind of compare the two back to back to get a better idea of what it's going to do. Notice a couple little pop-up showers here developing in spots because these are really going to be very much updraft and downdraft dominated. They'll kind of dissipate fairly quickly too, but will dump some heavy amounts of rain. But if you notice down to the south towards North Carolina, that's where some of those outflows develop towards the overnight tonight, towards midnight, and then those clusters of showers and storms moves up. Then we'll see some more scattered showers and storms in spots as we go through Saturday, but some dry time obviously in between as well, and remaining kind of warm and humid. Temperatures in the 80s through the week, and eventually that cold front moves through by later in the week.
Storm Track 5 weather cameras are sponsored by Ingalls.